Alright, I'm fixing to make some chips using the Ronco chip-tastic. First, I'm going to slice them off on this knuckle shaver. Oh, that's good. Ow! I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Now, we lay these on a paper towel and we pat them dry. But half of these, I'm going to soak them in some vinegar for about 10 minutes. Actually, I'm going to soak these in vinegar for the duration while I'm cooking these other ones. I think I'm going to use ranch dressing on these and vinegar on these. So let me cut the camera off and get a bowl with some ranch dressing, and I'm going to mix these all up in it. Alright, this is not a science or anything, so this is all experimentation. Got some raw vinegar here. Alright. This is a ranch salad dressing mix. What the heck. I think they're stuck together. Yeah. Alright. I'll tell you, there's not much to dry on these, so I'm going to go ahead and put them on the rack. I'm not going to do all of them because I don't want to make you watch all of that. So what you do is you fold them in half like this, and you poke them down here on these little hooks. Alright, let me get that done. I'll be right back. Alright, I've already done this wrong. These here, you're supposed to wash these and then pat them dry and then put your seasonings on. And I didn't do that. But these, I did. So let me fill the rest of this up with the ones I did the right way. On these, I'm just going to put salt on. Well, like I said, I won't make you watch me put these in there. All right, when I get this filled up, I'll bring you back. All right, let's go to the microwave. All right, this just barely fits in my little microwave. So it won't be turning on the carousel. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on for 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna open the door, turn them 180 degrees and put it on for 5 more minutes. We'll be back. I wish I had smell-o-vision because it smells like chips. I have a feeling. Oh crap. Whoa. Okay, these are the ones with a ranch dressing. And these are the ones with nothing. I'll tell you what. Tell you what, the ones that I put in wet with ranch dressing are not coming out right. But these ones that I did the right way, patted them dry, they look okay. Let me try one. Excuse me, pollen. Oh my God, you would not believe. This tastes like you took it out of a bag of chips. I'm gonna try one of these with a ranch dressing. Can you see that? You can't see it. Alright, this one with the ranch dressing. Absolutely. These are done. I'm eating these. So what I'm going to do now is these 2 rows are vinegar and salt, and these are just salt. I'm going to put them in there, get them in the microwave, and then I'm going to get my wife to taste test them all. They came out great. Can you mute that?
I can. What the fudge brownie? They look like potato.
Yeah, those are no salt.
They look like potato chips. And what are these?
Those are ranch. These are vinegar, and these are lightly salted.
Okay, they look and they smell like potato chips. Oh yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, very good.
Okay, that's no salt.
Well, they taste just like potato chips.
Yeah, amazing. You can make these without dipping them in grease. Now, taste the vinegar one.
The vinegar.
No. Yeah, right here. These are vinegar. And these are lightly salted. These 2 are lightly salted.
Yeah, I taste the salt. Oh yeah.
You taste the vinegar?
I do.
Yeah. Okay, try the ranch. The one's closest to you. That's it.
I can see the ranch. They're very good. Sunny would like one.
Waiting for you to try the ranch.
She's waiting for her close-up.
Still waiting.
Okay.
Good?
Very good.
All right, I'm going to eat some salt and vinegar right now.
Okay, thank you very much.
Well, there you have it, folks. Pretty cool little gadget. What I ended up doing was putting it on for 2.5 minutes and turning it 90 degrees every 2.5 minutes 4 times. That way it was 10 minutes all the way around. This is a tiny little microwave. It's a 700 watt microwave. If you had a 1100 watt full-size microwave, you wouldn't put it on for 10 minutes. You'd probably put it on for 7 or 8. And you wouldn't need to touch it because it would be big enough to spin these around. So, a pretty cool gadget. I say 2 thumbs up. But one of them's in use right now, so you just get one. What do you think, Breezy? Do you deserve a chip? Yes, dear. I washed the potatoes. Thanks for watching. Oh, I'm going to leave a link below if you want one of these. Follow the link. This is that grill I made 3 years ago. Still looking pretty good. Could probably use another coat of polyurethane. Yeah, a little sanding, a little more polyurethane. That was the top half of a compressor tank. And that was just a galvanized pipe that I had laying around. And this is a 30-pound propane tank. This handle I made from 2 chair legs glued together in the middle. And that was a piece of exhaust pipe. Cooked a lot of steaks on that. This is Bebs. I made it for her for Christmas like 3 or 4 years ago. And I still cook on mine. It's not exactly like this. Mine is the bottom 2/3 of that compressor tank is mine. I used 4-inch square pipe